Welcome. Today I'll show how to make engaging Canva content using transitions, recordings, animation, and time-saving features. Quick feature snapshot. Canva recordings. Use Canva recordings to add narration and screen captures directly to your slides for tutorials and personal storytelling. Canva animate overview, element motion and presets. Animate text and images with presets to add energy and guide attention without overdoing motion. Transitions between slides and apply subtle transitions to create a smooth flow. Match transition speed to your narrative pace. Building your own presentation, brand kit, fonts, layouts. Customize templates with your brand colors, uploaded fonts, and consistent layouts for professional results. Magic shortcuts and productivity tips. Use shortcuts and AI tools to resize assets, duplicate pages, and generate copy faster. Recording best practices, mic, pacing, scripting. Record in a quiet space, speak clearly, and keep sentences short. Use pauses for emphasis and natural pacing. Animation timing and layering, entrances, emphasis, exits. Stagger animations, entrance, emphasis, and exit. Layer elements so the eye follows your intended order. Transition examples for different moods, calm, upbeat, dramatic. Choose fades and gentle slides for calm content, and snappier transitions for energetic or promotional pieces. Repurposing and export options, MP4, PPTX, social sizes. Export to MP4 for video, PPTX for live.